the wall sit. The purpose of this exercise is to help realign the spine by ensuring that the head stays up over the shoulders, using the wall as a tool to help build the strength in the neck and the shoulders. This will prevent any future slouching, which is often seen at a seated position. I'm going to have Johnny take us through it. Okay, Johnny, so what I want you to do is sit against the wall. I want your legs shooting out straight in front. And the first thing is to make sure that your lower back is as close and tight into the wall. So if you can shimmy your way up. Good. And I want to make sure, like you're doing, the knees and feet are all in line. Sometimes the hamstrings can be tight. If necessary, you can apply a little bit of pressure and keep the knees up. But if you can, keep them locked down. Sometimes the lower back will slip off the wall, but ensure to keep working your way up. The straighter you are up the wall, the straighter your spine will be, and that's where we want to get to. Okay, from here, making sure your lower back, upper back, and head and neck is pulled tight to that wall. Good. Really pushing hard against the wall, building up the strength in the muscles. From here, I want you to turn your palms to face up and have them down to your sides. Relax your shoulders. Roll the shoulders back to the wall. Good. So, I'm going to have you hold this position for a minute. I'm going to take you through the muscles that you'll feel working through this. So, keeping the feet up in line, which is perfect. Knees are down, keeping that gap tight. From here, the lower back is tight into the wall. Making sure the lower back does not pop out, keeping the whole midsection in. You'll feel the muscles in the core working slightly. Keeping the shoulders rolled back into the wall and also deep press down. From here, you'll start to feel the back of the neck working as you really crown the head back up the wall. Good. Points to watch out for would be the lower back pulling out, the shoulders rolling forward, or the head crowning back instead of up. Remember, we're trying to pull up the wall to realign everything. Once the minute is up, I'm going to have you rest off the wall, and then we're going to take a minute's rest, and we're going to repeat this. This should be done 3 times with a minute rest intervals. Okay? Good luck with that, guys.